Today we're doing snowflakes. This is a form of radial symmetry. You're going to need paper and scissors. This is also going to be a bit of a speed run, so let's get started. Your paper needs to be a square, so if you're using a rectangular piece of paper, you're going to want to fold that short edge over onto the longer edge. You don't need this excess anymore, you can cut that extra off. Your paper's now square, fold it, fold that triangle in half, and now we're going to do a double fold. This is going to make a dart shape. This might be the most frustrating part, but don't give up. You also want to make sure those edges line up as close as possible to each other. Now, you can make a choice to cut those ears off or leave them on. I also recommend that you draw out your design for what you're about to cut out. Remember, the more detailed the design, the more carefully you'll need to cut. I sped up my recording here by quite a bit, so take your time. Don't worry about rushing through this, especially if you want to make something very detailed. Now, we've gone over simple symmetry before. Fold something in half, the other half looks the same. But with the way that we folded our paper, especially using those triangular folds, that gives us radial symmetry. Now, open up your design. You will start to see that pattern repeating over and over in a circular pattern. Now, you can just repeat these steps as many times as you want, do different designs. Have fun, keep creating, just keep trying new things and discover and learn. Thanks, I'll see you in the next video.